Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to the Unity Garden Homestead in my kitchen again. I am here to help people reduce stress and increase positive energy. Today, I am sharing denials and affirmations for peace of mind. It's another special request from one of you, so I love those. Please keep them coming. I want to help you out as much as possible. If we haven't met yet or we haven't connected in a while, hello again. My name is StephanieBandosik. I'm a Reiki healer, an energy alchemist, a storyteller, a lover of all things holistic and natural wellness. And again, I help people to increase their positive energy and reduce stress through things like affirmations, meditation, visualization, healthy eating, healthy living, all those sorts of things. We really have to live an intentional life if we want to live a good life. So I am in beautiful upstate New York, traditional Gunyaga Mohawk Nation territory. I would love to know if you're tuning in, where are you coming from, and what is it like in your neck of the woods today. It's a beautiful day where I am. It's not terribly sunny, but a little bit cool, but still beautiful. I just got back from taking my dog for a walk, and we had a wonderful time. So, five affirmations, denials, and affirmations for peace of mind. And I know in these troubling times, it can be really difficult to keep a positive attitude, to keep strong peace of mind, but it is so important. So, the first one here is a denial. And remember, denials are the eraser, they erase the negative tape. And affirmations are the replacer. They replace that negative track that we're taping over with something positive, something that will actually bring good things into our life. So we're going to deny with the eraser, and then we're going to replace with the affirmation. Denial is the eraser, affirmation is the replacer. So the denial first. Nothing can disrupt my inner peace. Nothing can disrupt my inner peace. Affirmation. I am at peace with myself and my world. I am at peace with myself and my world. Here's another denial. No person, place, or circumstance can disturb my peace of mind. No person, place, or circumstance can disturb my peace of mind. Affirmation. Even in the midst of a storm, I am surrounded by peace and harmony. Affirm with me now. Even in the midst of a storm, I am surrounded by peace and harmony. Another affirmation for us to do together. You can listen to it, speak it, read it, write it. You want to use these all the ways. I choose to attract calm and peaceful people into my day and life. I choose to attract calm and peaceful people into my day and my life. And the last affirmation for today. When I quiet my mind and body and take time to look for the good, I find it in abundance. When I quiet my mind and body and take time to look for the good, I find it in abundance. So you can use all of these. You can choose one or two that's your favorite. You can mix them up in any combination that feels good to you, because remember, the better you feel when you do your affirmations, the more powerful it's going to be for you. So if you want to change around some of the wording because it gives you a better feeling, a higher vibration, or a more strong connection, go right ahead and do that. If you want to insert your name into the affirmations, again, putting your name in is a super powerful way to make those affirmations your own. So I, Stephanie, am at peace with myself and my world. You can insert your name into them. You want to, again, be reading them, writing them, listening to them. You want to be journaling them. So there's lots of journaling techniques we can do. We can talk about those. If you want more information, let me know. And you want to make yourself feel as good as possible when you're performing your affirmations. You want to do them every day, multiple times a day, and the more different combinations of ways you use them, the better. I would love to know what your experience has been with affirmations. A lot of times, if you're not finding success, there are a few tweaks we can make that make them more powerful and therefore more successful. And if you are having success, let me know too. I definitely want to celebrate your successes, pat you on the back, encourage you to keep making those good lifestyle choices that will make you feel good, which will help you be even better to your family, your community, and our world. So I would love it so much if you found any of this useful, if you let me know, if you gave it a like, if you sent a comment my way, and if you shared it maybe with someone who you think might find it useful or helpful too. It would mean the world to me. I'd be so grateful. As always, I am sending you love, light, peace, blessings, and joy. Please take care of yourself and take care of each other.